China's economy right now? Booming or busting? Imagine a house party, half the guests dancing to EDM, while the other half arguing about the thermostat. It's a tale of two economies. One, futuristic tech booming. The other, real estate sinking fast. For data points, tell the story. The sunny side, high-tech manufacturing up 9.3%, exports up 8%, factories are buzzing. The gloomy side, retail sales crawling at 3.7% and real estate down 12%, a nosedive. Beijing calls it a tough love transformation toward high-tech and green growth.
We believe in pushing the boundaries of what is possible.
Markets call it a confidence crisis. Savings up, spending down, homes turning from nest egg to liability. So which is it, booming or busting? The short answer, both. China's economy is wearing two very different outfits at the same party. Join the BRICS Project Network today to stay informed and connected.